making a breakfast sandwich out of Grand Southern Homestyle biscuits, the buttermilk kind, eggs, and bacon. That's all it really requires. If I add anything additionally, I will show you guys. I already started my bacon, added it to the pan. About half a pack. I cut it in half and made little pieces. And I have my biscuits right here. They're about to go into the oven. And I set the oven at 350, and I'm going to leave them in there approximately 15 minutes. Or until they turn golden brown. Added some salt and pepper to my eggs. I grinded some black pepper and some sea salt into it. And now I'm going to stir my eggs with a fork. Stir it up. I made 8 because there's 4 of us in here, and I did it for like 2 eggs per person. That's how I did it. I mean, you don't have to eat that much. You can use it 1 egg per person, however you prefer. But make sure we're full. Like I said before, we're not breakfast people, but when I make breakfast, I want to make sure we get full. What it do? About to take it off. Start my eggs. The biscuits, they came out perfect, nice and golden. Now I'm about to start my egg process, and I'll show you guys the end result. End process for my eggs. You can see the biscuits and my bacon. So I'm about to start my sandwich. I have my biscuit here. I'm going to actually cut it. Let me get it smaller. Yeah, I need a big knife. Cut it down the sides. And the only thing extra I added was cheese. So I am going to do it like this. Look, egg. Bacon. And ta-da! Have yourself a yummy biscuit. Bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit breakfast sandwich. Good morning. I am doing the breakfast thing today, which I don't really do breakfast like that, but I'm doing it today. And what's that on TV? Is it just a test? Test, okay. So guys, today I have bacon, egg, and cheese on a biscuit. And of course, I am going to add some jelly, grape jelly, Welch's jelly to the top of my biscuit. And I have some Pepsi here. And it tastes in the mood for some Pepsi. I'm going to start off with a prayer, and then I'll dig in. Amen and amen again. All right, y'all. What I had to get, got everything I needed. Gonna get me a napkin, of course. Gotta keep a napkin on deck. So y'all, lately I've been wanting to know my background. So I decided to get the DNA ancestry kit to try to follow up on my background. See what's going on out there. Jelly. Put a little bit more on there. A little bit more. Yeah, and this is the kit that I got. So later on I might be doing a little clip once the results come back. See what's the other size I have in me. Because I really don't know. But I will find out soon. So I'm going to take this first bite. Matter of fact, I'm going to let y'all take the first bite. Yeah. Mm. Mm. It's so good. But what I've been doing is I've been waiting for years. I've been said I was going to get this DNA ancestry kit and see what was up with my background, but I never did. Never did it. But I'm actually going to take it today and send it out. I guess it's some little spit kit you spit in, whatever, and send it off. Well, I'm going to do that today. See, I came with a scarf on. I ain't come to play. I just came to eat. Talk to y'all a little bit. Eat breakfast with y'all. Then going about my business. It's so good, y'all. And I did put some clips in of me actually making this. I'm gonna start doing a lot with cooking videos because I put that on pause. And I just was eating. It's gonna be mixed. Cooking and eating. Ooh. This thing's good. Mm. Look how you. We're like, who's she talking to? I'm talking to the people who's not to the YouTube. Where's the cup game? Mm-hmm. Yesterday I ain't do nothing all day long. Just laid around. Oh yeah, I might go out. Do something. Get some things done. You know, the mailman came so early today. Mailman never come this early. I'm thinking they're getting ready for a storm that's supposed to be coming. So that's probably why he out so early. Because what time is Gear? 11:15. 11:15? He never come that early.
On Thursdays. Usually the mail comes early on Thursdays, but that's about it. And today's Tuesday.
Yeah, so I don't know what's up with that. Like I said, it might be for the weather. Hopefully we don't get no bad weather. Because I don't like driving it. I will stay in the house all day. And just look outside. On top of that, it's freezing. I come at FedEx. We ordered something from FedEx. You ordered something? You did? Just waiting for it to come? That's why you was looking like that. What you order? Clothes?
No, I ordered, or you'll see it.
That's why you waited. I'm saying you was looking back and forth. You thought they put it in the mailbox first?
Yeah, that's what I thought the mail.
That's why you went out there early. Oh yeah, because you said yay when I told you. I hate to do. You said yay when I told you the mail came early. You thought that package came.
I got a lot of stuff that came in the mail today.
Oh, they throwing on that.
Yeah, they put, that was nice of them. He put a paper, not paper, a plastic bag over top of it.
Oh, fucking good work.
What's wrong, baby? What's wrong, baby?
I'm gonna see him in my video right now.
Who, the baby?
Down in the ear.
Hi, baby.
That was so good, y'all. Now I'm gonna show y'all the little man who I was talking to inside. My nephew. There we go, everybody. Look at him. He's so cute, right?
Say hi. Say hi.
Hello, everyone. Say hey, Diddy Butt. Say hi. Hey, y'all. Say hey, y'all. Say, look, say bye-bye. Look, say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Say
Look.
bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right, y'all, I'm about to actually get out of here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you'll know when my next video upload. She always in the background. Excuse me. Ooh. Until next time. See y'all.